compliments of the day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for tuning into our program. My name is Arthur Timwoni, and today on the program we have got a guest who is called Mr. Kingston. Welcome to the show, Mr. Kingston. Okay, can you please tell us in brief who is Kingston?
Well, I'm just a young and energetic man, aged 19, who is driven by the desire to impact a certain change in other people's life, especially students, as a beneficiary of Jews Tutoring Movement.
Okay, can you please tell us in brief the secret behind that organization?
Well, Jews Tutoring Movement is an academic movement founded on Christian principles, and the main secret behind it is God Himself, who is a driving force behind each and every activity in the movement.
Okay, as an organization that is growing and that was born in 2017, what are some of the challenges that you confront that you would like to address to the viewers?
Well, we are facing a lot of challenges, and to start with, the first challenge you are facing is like a lack of commitment and focus on the part of our students. However, as a movement, we are trying by all means to mentor our students by inviting great speakers, different speakers who want to speak to our students as young people. And also we are facing a challenge of finance for transport, as well as finance for the registration of our students. Some of our students who might not afford to register, but again, as an organized movement, we are trying by all means to do leadership subscriptions to raise a lot of funds to, yes. Okay.
We understand that Mr. Shalin Chikomo is studying out of the country. He is abroad. So how do you cooperate? Because he was the one who started with the movement. Tell me that his absence impeded the progress.
well, right. Actually, the Jews of Africa is the founder and visionary of this movement, right? And he has set a good leadership that with or without him, we can produce some positive results to the movement, right? So actually, as a movement, we have a good leadership that we can impact a certain change.
This organization was founded by Mr. Shalin Chikomo, Jews of Africa, in 2017, following his desire to solve the problem that he has been a victim of for such a long time. And after coming up with his 20 points at advanced level, he decided to start this project. The man had been a victim of not going to school due to finances and also was lacking family motivation. This problem affected him so much, and after a very long period of struggling, he was then sent to school by other well-wishers, and he did his best that now he is at university level. During the introduction of Jews Tutoring at Masvingo Civic Center, which became the headquarters of the movement, in his official launch speech, he said, "I am not the only one who was not going to school because of such problems. Neither am I the only one who has suffered this problem. This is a national difficult, and I believe God has raised me."
As the Jews of Africa, I would like to thank the Lord who have made me travel this far. Thank you, Chipinge team. I would like to thank you for cooperating with the Jew system.
That I can raise others, and some of you might be asking, how are we going to do it? But listen, Jews Tutoring is the answer. He went on to say, the youth are the future leaders of our country, and we need to educate them if we are interested in a brighter future. Through Jews Tutoring, the poor and the rich must get this opportunity to be educated without any form of discrimination.
The objectives of the organization include increasing access to education in the country, creating future leaders for the country through education, helping young people to know the importance of giving back to the community, youth empowerment, motivating disadvantaged to work hard and change their lives, make education affordable for all. Thank you for tuning into this program. My name is Arthur T. Mwoni, alongside with Portia Chiremba.